Yeah man people. Don't know saying boy DreamHack, you know. You see me I say. As most hot topic fans would know. 29 last month. Cause today 2nd of July, today my mother's birthday. You see me I say big up to Maxine. You see me I say aka Black Scene. You see me I say I do up in the Blue and Janko Mountains, but when I forward down, I don't know say a different thing. Yeah. So for the past week, kinda give topic to my break and full joy myself. You see me I say man, the beautiful DK there. You see today I appreciate when nature for you for we there one place in Holywell. You see me I say? Nice place man, I recommend. I recommend it to anybody. You see me I say? Different from pool and hotel and you see me I say peaceful and quiet man. When you reach Holywell now, when you reach Papine, you understand? Past Kentire and come up towards Garden Town, past Garden Town and make your way towards. You're not gonna go through the town of God, you're not gonna go through Garden Town itself, you know. Signs are along the road that will guide you. You see me I say? You make your way towards Irish Town and then you know you're going to see a sign. Newcastle is a place where soldiers then train. You see me I say? You come through Newcastle and you come on. There's actually a road that can actually take you to Portland, the parish of Portland from this side. And you see the sign at the front, welcome to Holywell. You see me I say? Nature Park and thing. EK there in the kitchen and chef up sitting and thing. So, we out here people, so Holywell, Nature Park and thing. Anybody who appreciate nature, I recommend it to you so you can come check it out when you don't have time. 8 grand per cabin. Sorry. There are 3 cabins here. The 2 smaller one them are for 8 grand per night. And the large one are for $12,000. You see me I say those Jamaica Environmental Trust also. No, Jamaica Conservation Trust, yeah man. Link them man and they are Durham Road across from Zip FM. You see me I say you call them, I believe their number must be 960 or 28 48 to 9. You can link them man and book your thing man. You call 3 days before and you pay and thing and you know you're good to go. So yeah man, we're gonna show you what the place look like. I believe on waterfall there's something about the place. That's one little thing. You understand? So I make you see what I go on, man. Hot. Alright, see me say I take over a mountain now, people. You know watch a movie when you're in the mist. And some yelling and come out I miss. Look at nature. The Blue and Janko Mountains. Welcome to the camera, model. Boy. Yeah. Yeah man. Blue and Dranko Mountain people. Oh, no, mister. People, this is a trail. If we take us to a waterfall, but rangers they make we know so the path is a bit slippery right now, so you know advise us to take on that journey there today. So as I say. Alright, so people, guess what? We leave Holywell now. Unfortunately, there was a torrential downpour of rain or mist. We don't know how, but something did that go on. You understand? So we don't get to tour the property in its entirety. But guess what? We're gonna come back, and the next time we come back, we're gonna go into a better preview of a place. Or a better review of a place. You see me I say? So until then.
The dirt now? Jerry, give me a piece of dirt now? Turn around there. Turn around deep.
But how you do it?
Do you want to say love? Do you want to say love?